our friendship didn't crash because of the fish. After 10 years, I mean after 10 years, no, after, yeah, we know each other quite long, so. Mother has been, she back on again. She's streaming right now? Wait, tell me. If she's streaming, we will rate her. We will rate her. Thank you for the stream, Mira. Thank you, Uncle Rob. Thank you, Coco. Thank you for being here. And Tyler as well. And Tyler for the beats. Arlanda Airport is about halfway between Stockholm and... That's a thing. That's good for me, you know. You movie night, yeah, and oh yes, we will not watch it tonight. Sorry. When I travel, it's pretty hard, you know. It's very nice of your friend to join you in the smelly fish challenge. Yes. So, if Marley, she's on. Oh, that's cool. So we got her. Why she raided me also today, so we will be just raiding her back. If you guys steal from Marley's stream here, you are going back. Wait, how her name? Can you write me in the chat her name, full name? Thank you everyone for today. I'm thankful for all of the hype train and all of the subs of the smelly fish and stuff. Where is, I don't know if I'm still here. If by chance you're here, fam, I'm very thankful. I don't know still what happened or the story. I will go back and probably watch the VOD, but I'm so sorry. If you guys, I really always hope there will be peace in the chat, but I just very thankful for the subs. If you listen to me, I'm very, very thankful. It's just big help for me, really. And also Tiftor, I don't know if Tiftor is still here. I'm thankful for the subs as well. Matt, nice to see you. Didn't see you for a while. How are you? A lot of fun to see you walk around my neighborhood. Hope you enjoy the rest of your stay. So thank you so much, sis Rob. And I'm going to your town where you were born. Thank you, Unreliable, for writing me. Marlies 81. And I don't know if Stephanie is still here, but I think, yeah, it can be discussions here, and some people might not agree on something, but I think as long as you don't touch a personality, like some character of a person, if you don't attack character of the person or like personality, you know, it's all good. But if once you start to say like something bad or something like making fun of the character, that's when things go wrong. And that's what I don't really accept it, like, you know. Jewel Barrow 88, hello. How are you doing? Good night, Codila. Thank you for being here. Thank you, my mod Biclo. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you, Matthias. I miss the drama. Me too. I also missed that. I just saw the end. Unfortunately, I didn't understand, basically. But why are you so sad and unreliable? Why you need that drama in your life? Yeah. Oh my God, I was about... There is some fountain. I was about to fall. There's some people still cheering. So basically, I hope, one thing I'm asking you guys, don't hurt each other, don't attack each other characters, or like this is not right. You can disagree with someone. It's okay to have different opinions, but you can but don't attack. Like, this is not good, you know. This is like this is not good. I mean, you just will drop down in my eyes, because I don't know, that's not nice. If I ever do that, I might also do that, so it's not good. You just let me know or something like that. But drama can use the imut vilai watch. Ah, okay. Nah, drama is never good. So I hope I'll see you tomorrow. Explore the city. Beautiful places. Maybe we'll take a ferry. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Let's finally explore fully Stockholm and places. Yeah, in the daytime. For now, I send you back to Portugal, back to Lisbon. Hello, Crafty, you're here. Bye guys. Nikalim, bye. Dogs, bye. Bye everyone. Let me see. Oh, 18,000 steps. I thought it will be less today. They supposed to be less. 18, not bad. I thought it will not have any time. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Bye guys, good night.